Using thought types in the brain is an easy way to add greater context to all of your digital information. Thought types provide a visual reference to define what the content or category of a particular thought may be. For example, in this area of the brain, without even clicking on a thought, I can quickly identify which thoughts are clients, active projects, or key business contacts. And when I hover over a thought that has been typed, I see that thought type label. Thought types can also assist you in navigation and filtered reports. If I quickly need to find all thoughts of a specific type in a very large brain, I'll click on the Thought Type button in the brain's tool menu and select Active Projects. Now I can review all of my active projects, or just activate the desired project that I was looking for. I've recently completed this particular project. I don't want to delete the content as I may need to reference it again in the future. But I'll click on the thought to open its thought properties display, where I can unassign this thought from being an active project. This also may be a good opportunity for me to create a new thought type called archived projects. Again, I'll open the thought properties display and type in my new thought type name to create my new thought type. But I'm not done quite yet. I'll click on the pencil icon to specify what an archive project will look like in my brain. In this thought types property display, I'll assign a new icon and maybe even color code the thought. Now, when I return to my client thought, I can easily identify which projects are active and which are archived. I'm also noticing right now that my icon for clients and active projects are fairly similar, at least in color. I can always go in and modify a thought type icon to have it universally changed throughout my brain. I'll return to my active projects and assign a new icon. A simple red pencil should make it stand out. And again, the change is universal throughout my brain. One final step. I'll right-click on my brain background to change how my thought groups are ordered. Instead of viewing my thoughts alphabetically, I'll arrange them by thought type, so that all thoughts of similar types will be grouped together. Thought types are a great way to add visual identity, enhance navigation, and greater context to the thoughts that you're creating in your digital brain.